Hey everybody, it's Sean with Seattle Coffee Gear, and today we're doing a crew review for the DeLonghi Eletta Explore. Before we get started today, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We do lots of crew reviews, cool coffee content, as well as some education content to help you make your coffee better. All right, let's get started. When it comes to the design of this machine, it's really bold and robust. It makes a statement on the countertop. With the color buttons and touchscreen, the menu is easy to navigate so you can find your morning coffee. Some features that I've really enjoyed using when interacting with this machine are its user profiles. So if there are multiple coffee drinkers in the household, everybody gets to create a menu for themselves and set their own preferences up for their drinks. I also really enjoy the cold brew and cold foaming features in this machine. Specialized for non-fat and non-dairy milk, it creates a really frothy experience that's awesome for those hot summer days. Another feature I really enjoy on this machine is its touch screen. It's super responsive to touch, so being able to scroll through the menu, incredibly intuitive with the touchscreens that we're familiar with. By tapping into the drink, we can adjust our milk settings and our volume settings in our coffee, just to get our coffee exactly how we like it. All right, let's talk about some pros and cons. The pros that set this machine apart come from its easy user interface, its cold foam frother, and the app support to help users really figure out the core of this machine and how it works. The cons that I have in working with this machine are some users might not like this big setup on their countertop as it will hog some counter space. It does make a statement, so if we're trying to match an aesthetic, it might not be the angle that we're trying to go for. The final con with this machine is, in comparison to other super autos, it's pretty loud. You can hear this grinder running from a room or two away, so if we're living in a smaller space, you're going to be aware that someone else is making coffee. All right, we're gonna brew my favorite drink on this, which is gonna be an iced oat milk cappuccino. And that's everything on the Eletta Explore. We're pretty excited about this machine. Do you have any more questions? Be sure to let us know in the comments below. In the description, you'll find a link to all the products featured in this video. You'll also find a link for our email newsletter. That email newsletter is the best way to stay informed on any sales and promotions, as well as stay up to date on cool coffee tips and tricks. As a thank you for signing up for our newsletter, we'll get you a 10% coupon, good for any one item. Some exclusions apply, so be sure to reach out to our sales team if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and keep making coffee you love.